can we talk about how cute my kitchen looks right now? Joshua went out and got this today and these, which are my favorite. They're so beautiful. Hi guys, Joshua and I are in the kitchen again. We're about to have kind of like a very, very late lunch.
Yeah, it's like
early dinner.
Brunch dinner.
But anyway, today we're going to be making another HelloFresh meal. HelloFresh is actually sponsoring today's video and
sponsoring today's date night is what we're doing.
Yes.
It's so cold outside. We did not want to go out.
Yeah, if you guys live in Michigan or anywhere near Michigan, you know how freezing it's been.
Especially Minnesota. Good luck.
It's really great to have dinner delivered to your door and we can stay inside, have a little date night. HelloFresh is offering you guys the same deal of a lifetime. $80 off your first month. It's like 8 free meals. Code link will be here on the screen, Abbyefied HF80. Make sure to use it. You will not be disappointed.
Nope. So we had 3 options. We already ate one. The other 2, I've got the Hall of Fame melty moderate Jack burgers.
Yeah, those look very good. I've been wanting to try those for a really long time.
Those are looking like I could just eat this paper and
what's the other one?
The other one is a chicken pineapple quesadillas.
Yeah, those look quite delicious.
That looks like.
So we have to decide which one that we're gonna make. But guys, this is really great for like Valentine's Day and stuff too, is what I was thinking, because honestly, Joshua and I, we don't like going out on Valentine's Day because it just gets like so crazy, waiting in lines, waiting for your food, and it's just like kind of chaotic. This is like a really fun way to make dinner together, have fun, play some board games, eat your Ghirardelli chocolates, smell your flowers. So we decided we're going to make the chicken pineapple quesadillas. They look delicious. Joshua's getting them out of the fridge. But guys, really quick, I just thought, for those of you that don't even know what HelloFresh is, which I'm sure most of you do, it's a meal delivery kit service and it gets delivered to your house like once a week.
Once a week.
And you get to choose from, you can choose like a family plan, classic plan, which is what we get, or a veggie plan. So like I said, I'm gonna have all the information down below, but here is our chicken pineapple quesadillas right here in this bag. Let's see everything we got. We got the tortillas.
Tortillas.
Oh, you gotta get the chicken out of the fridge too.
Okay, yeah.
Our onion, green pepper, pineapples, tomato, wine, Southwest spice blend, cheese. As you guys can see, here's all of our ingredients. That's what's so nice about HelloFresh, because you don't like waste any food. You have just enough. So now we're gonna go ahead, follow, I gotta get that recipe out of the way. Or
yeah, we're gonna make those burgers.
But we gotta follow our recipe, and it says it's only going to take like total 30 minutes. So all the meals really don't take too long, but they're like gourmet, delicious meals in the end. And I feel like this gets me to try new things too, which I really like that.
So while we're cutting up the produce, make sure you wash it first. But we're gonna talk about some of our favorite date night activities.
At-home date night.
At home, because you could go to movies and restaurants, but...
Okay, but especially for like Valentine's Day and stuff.
Yeah.
Joshua and I, we really don't like going out too much for Valentine's Day. So
it's real busy.
Yeah, it's just too busy. There's too many people out.
Yeah.
So we just like to do fun things at home, like
board games.
Board games are one of our favorite things to do.
Yep.
So some of our favorite board games right now. Okay, well, we love Monopoly Empire. If you guys have never played that, you guys need to play Monopoly
Look it up.
Empire.
It's very quick. It's all about building your billboard.
Yeah, so like regular Monopoly takes forever to play, so we really like this one because it's like actually a lot quicker and it's just like fun. And then we just got another one called Monopoly Gamer, which is really fun too.
It's kind of like a Mario kind of thing where you get power-ups and stuff. Nerd alert.
We like baking together though.
Baking.
Let me tell you what. enjoy baking together. Like
yes,
cooking, I feel like Joshua doesn't get as much into, but the baking he really does enjoy.
Yep.
Okay, so I actually have a very good way to cut a bell pepper. So actually, if you cut the little top of it off or the bottom of it off, and then you cut, you gotta get in here to see it. So you can see all the seeds now. So then you just cut around it like that. because the seeds always get very annoying and then you have to like wash everything off again. This is like the best way to do it, so then you don't have like a bunch of seeds. Let's see if I can do this properly.
Look at that focus.
Look at that. Look at
Boom.
it's perfect. And now, oh, I have a little bit more here.
Now you just eat that.
No, now we just get rid of this. I'm just gonna throw this away. Something that was super great about this is the chicken was already chopped up, which I love that. I actually had a cutting tray out because I was gonna cut up all the chicken, but it's already cut up.
Thanks, HelloFresh.
That even makes it even more easy. Because I hate cutting up chicken. This is this Southwest Spice Blend. This is so good. I think this is the same one that we got for the tacos too. Now that is looking good. All right, the quesadillas are hot out of the oven. Don't mind our dog, he's playing in the background. But Joshua, go ahead, do the honor. You have to cut them into like triangles. Oh my gosh. Well, it won't look like the picture.
No.
But it will be good. We're just going to add our beautiful pico de gallo that we made on top. Dude in the other room.
All right, everybody, taste testing.
All right, it's time for
the HelloFresh quesadillas.
Okay, I'm
Here we
really
go.
excited. Mmm. Oh my word, I'm starving.
Just stop the video here so I can eat.
Okay guys, hope you enjoyed seeing this fun little recipe, and we encourage you to have an at-home date night.
Yep.
It's always fun.
Always a good time.
Alright, so make sure to use my code Abbyefied HF80 to get $80 off your first month at HelloFresh. It's such a good deal. It's definitely the best deal that I've ever seen HelloFresh do.
Yep.
The one that they've done like this month and last month is like the best.
Best.
So, if you guys have been wanting to try it, now's the time. Excuse our dog playing with the toy in the other room. But anyway, make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe, and we will see you guys very soon in the next video.
Ask for comment down below.
Oh, okay.
I thought she was going to say that, so I was preemptively
Right,
commenting.
do that too. Alright, see ya.
Bye!
Oh my word.
Oh my. What did you murder? Hey! 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 You little stinker!
Yeah. Clean up your mess.